Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 21st, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So gold did end up making a nice push up today, and if you've been watching my videos, you've been seeing that I was talking about it going up and taking out these highs. I said to watch out for the 61%, but I also said the 78% might be more likely because that would give you a nice liquidity grab up here. Now, one thing we have to keep in mind is that the weekly and the monthly are definitely in an uptrend. What does that mean? It could bounce, not break structure, bounce, not break structure, and just keep on going up. I think there's a good chance it's a wave B, and we could get a double top at this 78 or 88%, giving us a break of structure to the downside and starting a big downtrend for a wave C to complete this wave Y. But we definitely want to continue to look for longs on like the 1 hour time frame range until we either see a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, or we don't see a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, and we just continue to look for longs because, like I said, the weekly and monthly is 100% in a very strong uptrend still. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.